good morning. Welcome to Mytre's kitchen. So today's dish is a snack. So this is the first snack that comes into our mind when we think about toast. So this snack or this toast is absolutely a right choice whenever we get into a restaurant. The first thing that we order is this is the toast. So thinking what toast it is? So the toast is nothing but our chili cheese toast. This is the absolute snack when you think about any toast for that matter. Absolutely delicious and cheesy toast. So why to wait? Let us walk into the kitchen and see how do we do this chili cheese toast. The first step to do our delicious cheesy chili cheese toast. I have taken the unsalted butter which is in room temperature. You can find so soft it is. I have taken 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. In this I am gonna add the chopped garlic. The more the garlic you add, the more the taste. I have added the chopped garlic around 2 cloves. Along with that I am going to add finely de-seeded green chilli. Now just mix this well. Just take a bread. The bread you can take whichever flavor you wanted, either wheat or the plain bread. So I have taken this bread. The mixed butter along with our green chilli and our garlic, add that into our bread generously. So that is one of the main ingredients that gives the taste. So spread it generously. Seeded, so nothing to worry. So now we need to grate our processed cheese or whichever cheese you prefer. I am going to add the processed cheese. Just grate it. Our butterly with chili and garlic and cheese is added. Now I am going to top it with our chili flakes. After adding our lovely chili flakes, I am going to add the oregano. Oregano is optional. If you don't prefer to add it, you can skip this. So now let us see what is the next step. I heated the non-stick pan. I am just going to add our bread which is topped with all our items and close the lid. Still the cheese melts in medium flame. Let us see how is our chili cheese toast. Yes, you can find our toast is getting nicely melted. So it's the right time. We can take it out and have it served. It's come out so very delicious and cheesy it is. You can just find it here. The texture itself makes it mouth watering. So now let us do our next slice of cheese chili toast. Yes, so close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Let the cheese get melt. So friends, here goes our yummy delicious cheesy cheese chili toast. So please do try this recipe. It's a very simple and delicious recipe. It's a apt evening snack. So please do try this and share your comments in the comments box. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye bye.